Christian conspiracy theorists believe Donald Trump will bring the end of days and the second coming of Jesus Christ. In a blog post, a Christian has linked the biblical prophecy of the last trump which will sound before the return of Jesus and the rising of the dead. The article on the WordPress blog platform, written by historian David Montaigne for End Times and 2019, links Trump's appointment to several predictions in the Bible. It first highlights 1 Thessalonians 4:16, which reads, "For the Lord himself shall descend from heaven with a shout, with the voice of the archangel, and with the trump of God, and the dead in Christ shall rise first." It then notes I Corinthians 15:52, which says, "Behold, I show you a mystery, we shall not all sleep, but we shall all be changed, in a moment, in the twinkling of an eye, at the last trump, for the trumpet shall sound, and the dead shall be raised incorruptible, and we shall be changed." The blogger then goes on to say, "I am not suggesting that Donald Trump absolutely is the last trump, but since the last trump is one of the most clear and final signs in end times prophecy, can we overlook the possibility that a presidential candidate named Trump is being used as a sign by God?" According to conspiracy theorists, Donald Trump's surprise election victory has coincided with people hearing a terrifying trumpet sound around the earth. And there are fears that the Trump trumpet may be heralding the end of the world, after it was linked to a biblical claim about the first 4 trumpets of Revelation signifying the apocalypse. In video footage of a Serbian sunrise, a loud noise can be heard seemingly coming from the sky, triggering an online frenzy as people linked the trumpet sounds to Trump's election victory. Reports that others have blamed the noises on a military drill. Another excited viewer believes the Trump trumpet sounds like a roaring lion, and a further theorist claimed it sounds like a dinosaur breathing down your neck. Days later, another video emerged from Serbia, where the terrifying trumpet could be heard once more. And strange sounds have also been heard in Canada. However, the prediction has been dismissed by other Christians.